B. Descriptive reasoning, or C. Deductive reasoning? Statistics, B. Correlation and regression, or C. Normal distribution? Chi-square test. Dependent categorical variables. Yes or no?
Hi, my name is Jalabel and I'm going to share with you how to play snakes and ladders. So to play with snake and ladders, these are the instructions. Number 1 is each player begins with a token or figure on the one square in the bottom left-hand corner of the board. Second, players take turn rolling a die and moving their token in accordance with the number they roll. If they roll a 1, they move 1 square. If they roll a 2, they move 2 squares, and so on. Third, if a player lands on the lower end of a ladder, they climb that ladder to the square that features its top end. Fourth, conversely, if players land on the higher numbered square of a snake, they fall down to its lowest number square. If a player roll a 6, they get another roll after removing their token. To speed up the game, players can use 2 dice. And the last instructions is whoever reaches the last square first is the winner. And the last instructions is whoever reaches the last square first is the winner. The snake and ladder's history is originated in ancient India, where it was known as Mokshapat or Moksha Patamo. And that's all for today's video. Thank you.